In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on CROSSCALL Core M5. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now click install. And now click open. Here you can skip this introduction. And now click open permissions and select AI assistant from this list, and you have to allow this application to display over other apps, and then click back and click back again. And now you can click start. And as you can see, here is your AI assistant, and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.